We're here at the Kohler Signature store by Supply New England because I need to look at some faucets and plumbing fixtures for the houses that we're doing.
This thing's huge.
We walk in the front door and the first thing Paul does is grab a robe.
It was on the wall. It didn't say I couldn't wear it.
Don't think you're supposed to take those, Paul.
This place has everything. When I tell you everything, I mean everything. I mean, they got rain heads, shower heads, handhelds, faucets, toilets, talking toilets. Oh.
It has a heated seat.
I can feel the heated seat. I think it even wipes for you, I'm pretty sure.
And then we get over to the shower heads, and of course Paul has to touch everything and turn on every single knob.
I could be a tech and show people how it works.
You could be something.
Welcome to Kohler. How can we make your day more pleasant? We closed.
We're walking around, checking out some of the showers and stuff.
Can you see me?
I can see you, honey.
How many fingers am I holding up?
Susan had to go look at some finishes.
And then Paul just disappears.
She didn't tell me that she was taking me to an amusement park for adults. Then I saw this awesome tub that has a spout over your head.
You're getting everything wet.
I'm getting it wet, I'm standing here. And then I was cold because the hot water wasn't working, so then I said, well, let me go into the tub. So I went into the tub and checked that out. And it just happened, because I'm always prepared to have rubber duckies and stuff with me.
So they actually let people come in here and use these bathrooms. They're called experience rooms. Anybody can come in and do what Paul's doing if they want. The experience rooms are actually kind of cool. You can come here and test everything out. Paul thought that meant he should test everything out right now.
There was a sign that said, Paul, touch everything. That's why it's here. It's to show it.
Is
So
that
that's
what
what I was
happened?
doing. I was showing it.
Okay, I was trying to figure that out.
Yes. I tried the bathtub, which was amazing. I had some bath bombs. They got a shower right next to it that has steam and all sorts of fun stuff. So I was like, let me do that. It was hot in there. Believe me, it was hot. Susan, you want to wash me?
Nope.
The steam wasn't from the steam. I think it was from me being in there.
This is ridiculous. There is something wrong with him.
This is quite the experience.
It is.
In the Supply New England showroom located at 7 Tide Street in Boston. Come on down to the experience room and experience what I'm experiencing.
I'm pretty sure they're gonna ask us to leave. I really can't take Paul anywhere. It probably would have been easier if I just took the kids. It probably would have been faster, easier, and less messy. I'm pretty sure they're not gonna let us come back here ever again.